Ideology video by Oni Michael Esther, a Batch 1 Group 7 member of MMM Nigeria Guidance School 2019. I'm here to talk about what is MMM ideology, components of MMM, how MMM works, rules of MMM, risk in MMM, and benefits in MMM. What is MMM? MMM simply means Mavrodia Movement. It is a community of financial aid exchange. It is a financial network that connects a participant who need help to another who wants to provide help. It is a community of people who is willing to donate to each other. MMM ideology. The main ideology of MMM is to break the financial unfairness in the world, where the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. A world where children are taught to work hard in order to earn a living. The founder brings about the idea of financial apocalypse. Components of MMM. MMM has the following components: provide help, get help. Technicals. To provide help means to render a financial helping hand to somebody in the community who has indicated interest to get help from the community. Get help. Somebody is eligible to get help after the person must have provided help to another person or within 15 to 28 days. Technicals. These are the group that are in control of the activities in the community. How MMM works. In MMM, participants donate to themselves through the principle of benevolence, gratitude, and reciprocity. The donation is done through peer-to-peer, meaning there is no central account. A participant is eligible to provide help after he or she indicates interest before and the order is matched and is expected to pay within 48 hours. There is also verification marvel, where a manager can use his or her verification marvel to pay 10% of their provided help or sell to their downlines. Rules in MMM. There is no multiple accounts in MMM. Do not delay in making payments, otherwise you will be blocked. Always write letter of happiness after a successful get help. Do not delay to confer recipients of funds after get help. Do not click on I refuse to make payments more than once a month. Risk in MMM. There are no guarantee in MMM. You can lose your money, so always donate your spare money. Benefits of MMM. You will get 30 to 50% of your provide help depending on the option you choose. You get 10% of your downline provide help. A manager gets from 2 to 5% of the second and third level. After getting help, apart from the letter of happiness, if a video of happiness is submitted, you get additional 5% of your get help. With this, I come to the end of the ideology of MMM. I wish you good luck. Thanks. Bye.